Hey guys, Mr. Stanwood here. We're on the next unit, and we're going to start with lesson 5.5a, and it's what is standard form. Standard form is our third and final way to represent a linear equation. So far we've talked about slope-intercept, point-slope, and now it is standard form. And very basic today, all I want to do is identify equations that are in standard form and start to manipulate or transform equations into standard form. So first things first, what is standard form? Standard form is this. It's a linear equation that is in the form ax plus by equaling c. So what that means is that your x value and whatever coefficient, your y value and whatever coefficient are on one side, and then whatever that constant, that number that's remaining, is on the other side. And something that I'll work on later on in another future lesson. It won't really matter quite yet. But a, b, and c all have to be integers. All right, integers being no part of a number. All right, no fraction, no decimal. Has to be positive, negative, whole numbers. Okay, that's a reminder. That's what an integer is. All right, so it's ax plus by equals c. Notice this is a capital B, different than the lowercase b that represents our y-intercept in slope-intercept form. So a, b, and c, technically, they don't really represent anything as important as a slope or a y-intercept, but this is something we'll build on for future lessons. All right, so the first thing we want to do is identify which of these equations is in standard form. Try it out. All right. I hope you looked at A and was like, that's in point slope form with a slope of 5, and the point would be 6, 5. So since this is point slope, nope, not that one. B, that looks like it could be. Looks kind of newish, right? But C, if I look at C, C is in slope-intercept form. There's my slope of 4. My y-intercept is negative 3. Nope. So the correct answer is B. That is in standard form. AX, my A would be 7. BY, my B would be negative 8 here. All right, my B would be negative 8 equals C, and my C is 56. So now let's start the basic transformation process. Can we put this into standard form? So remember, to put it in standard form, we want to have our X value on the left, our Y value on the left as well, and it's going to equal whatever's left. So if I'm looking at Y equals 6X plus 7, I want to get my X and my Y to the left-hand side. My Y is already on the left. So all I need to do is move my X to the left. And I can just subtract 6X from both sides. Cancel it out. So I have negative 6X plus my Y, and that equals 7. All right? So now real quick, what is my A? What is my B? What is my C? Okay. A, in this case, would be negative 6. B would be, oh, nothing's in front. It's a 1. And C would be 7. Okay. One more to try. That's it. Can we put this in the standard form? This one's a little bit more involved because it's in point slope. We have to do a couple things. The first thing we want to do is distribute still to give me 4x minus 12. Drop everything else down. Now I have to move a couple things. Remember, all my variables, my x and my y on the left and all my constants on the right. So I'm going to do 2 steps. I'm going to take away my 4x, take away my 4x to get my x's to the left with the y. And I'm also going to subtract my 14 from the left and my 14 from the right. And that will now leave me with negative 4x plus y equals negative 12, take away 14, negative 26. And again, my A is negative 4 because it's whatever is in front of x. My B is a positive 1, and my C is a negative 26. And that's it. The only work you have for this is the master check. No assignment, no IXL, no Khan Academy, nada. Only the mastery check.